Did you know you can earn thousands of dollars just by creating simple videos? Yes, it's possible, and someone is proving it every day. Tech Moments is a YouTube channel that earns over $1,000 by uploading viral YouTube shorts. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the real secret. It's easier than you think. This creator uses a simple copy-paste method to translate videos into English using an AI tool. After translating, he adds captions, edits them into short or engaging videos, and uploads them on his channel. The result? Millions of views and thousands of dollars in earnings. One of his most popular videos has reached millions of views, and many others are not far behind. But it's not just YouTube. He's also making money from platforms like TikTok through the TikTok Creativity Program. If you scroll through his videos, you'll see thousands of likes and comments. These videos are not complicated. Anyone can make them. Imagine turning simple content into viral success and earning thousands of dollars. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how you can do it too. Now let's talk about the amazing tool that makes creating viral content so easy. It's called Panini Translate. This tool will do most of the work for you, helping us prepare engaging shorts that can earn thousands of dollars on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Exciting, right? Let's see how it works. First of all, you have to download the Panini Translate app from the Play Store. After downloading, we will use it to create viral video using AI. Imagine converting an English video into Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, or any other language, just like MrBeast does. You can share these videos worldwide, open multiple YouTube channels in different languages, and unlock higher revenue stream app. So, head over to the Play Store and download the Panini Translate app. This app will be our key to creating viral videos effortlessly. Once you download the app, I show you exactly how to use this app to create viral content. Once it's downloaded, install it and open the app. When you open it for the first time, you'll see a simple interface. From here, you'll need to sign up and log in. Do not worry, the process is straightforward. Just fill in your details and you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and confirm your email. Once that's done, you're ready to start creating amazing content that can go viral worldwide. The first step is to download a viral video, so I'm going to use an amazing app. But here's the twist. I'll reveal the name of this app at the end of the video, so stick around. Trust me, it's worth it. Let me give you a hint. This app is from China, where YouTube is banned. This means the content on this app does not have copyright issues on platforms like YouTube, making it perfect for creating viral videos. Once you download and open the app, you'll see a clean interface. At the top corner, there's a search bar. Here's where the magic happens. If you don't know Chinese, do not worry. Just use Google Translate to convert your search terms from English to Chinese. Type something like viral video, paste it into the search bar, and watch the results roll in. If you don't feel like searching, you can simply scroll through the feed. It works just like TikTok. Swipe up to explore endless videos. Did you find a video you like? Tap the share button, hit download, and the video will be saved directly to your device. It's that easy. Now that you've saved the video, the most important step begins, making it engaging and ready for a global audience. For this, we will using a Panini Translate app. First, log in a Panini Translate app. Once you're in, you'll see an easy-to-use interface. Click on the video icon, and from there you can choose any language you want. You can even paste a link to a TikTok or YouTube video if you have one and translate it directly. But let me walk you through how to use it step by step. Start by uploading the video you downloaded earlier. Tap on Select File, and your video will begin uploading. While it's uploading, you can choose the language you want to translate it into, whether it's English or multiple languages. After selecting your language, hit the Proceed button. The app will process your video in just 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's ready, you'll have a professionally translated and engaging video that's perfect for sharing across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more amazing tips and tricks like this. After completing the previous steps, you'll see an option confirming that your video has been successfully converted to English. From here, you can adjust the settings as needed. But before I show you the final result, let me walk you through the process of downloading your video. First, carefully review the video. When you click download, you'll see several options. Download video, download subtitles, download audio. Choose the option that fits your needs. For example, if you want the full video, click Download Video. Your video will start downloading to your device next, and choose whether to use the free plan with a watermark or upgrade to the paid plan to remove it. If you're okay with the watermark, simply select Download Video and your video will be ready to use. But if you prefer to remove the watermark, choose Remove Watermark and you'll see details of the paid plan. If you want to remove the watermark, you can check out the paid plans. These are quite cheap plans, with options starting at just $8 or $16. I've added the link to these plans in the description below. Name of the Chinese app I used to download the original video. It's called Kuaishou. You can easily find it by searching on Google. Open any trusted website, download the app, and start exploring Chinese videos to use in your content. Next, let's take a look at the final result of the video. After translating with Panini
A group of
app,
foreigners pushed hundreds of tires down the mountain at the same time. The tires rolled down the hillside in a mighty manner, just like 1,000 horses galloping. The scene was particularly spectacular. They also placed a lot of obstacles at the foot of the mountain. When the tires hit the debris, people cheered enthusiastically.
you'll see how it has seamlessly transformed into an engaging video ready for a global audience. To make your video even more engaging, I recommend adding effects and edits. For this, you can import your clip into CapCut. With music and subtitles added, your video will look professional and polished. Plus, you'll avoid 100% of copyright issues, allowing you to upload it freely to YouTube, TikTok, or any platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Let's keep creating viral videos together.